Good morning, grade 12 students. In this video, we're going to continue with chromosomal abnormalities. In the last session, we started about the chromosomal abnormalities. We said that they are classified under two categories. Either they are chromosomal numerical abnormalities, numerical meaning that they are in the numbers. So we have abnormalities in the number of the chromosomes, or we have structural abnormality, which is abnormality at the level of the structure of the chromosome. We said that chromosomal numerical abnormalities, they are abnormalities that affect the number. Maybe there is an extra chromosome like trisomy, tetrasomy, or Klinefelter, or maybe there is a missing chromosome like the case of monosomy or Turner syndrome, if you remember. This is the karyotype showing a person with trisomy 21, where the chromosome formula is going to be 2n plus 1 equal 47. But from now on, we have to write this formula, but you have to write comma. You have to write the sex chromosomes. Here they are XY. You have to write X and Y. Okay? If it's a female, so 2n plus 1, it's equal to 47, comma, it's X if it's a female. So from now on, this is what's known by the chromosomal formula. So this is, you have to know it from now on. If I ask for the chromosomal formula, you have to know this. This is the chromosomal formula of this karyotype or this individual. Next, we are going to have questions talking about this karyotype, giving you a karyotype, going to detect if there is an abnormality or not, showing the karyotype, detect the type of the abnormality, and so on. So from now on, chromosomal formula is needed and you have to know how to write it. Okay, in this case we have three chromosomes in the pair number 21. So we have trisomy 21. Maybe we're gonna have three chromosomes in the pair 18, maybe, so it's trisomy 18. Maybe we're gonna have three chromosomes in the pair 8, for example, so it's trisomy 8, and so on. Okay, maybe sometimes we're going to have a missing chromosome, so it's not a trisomy, it's a monosomy. So let's move now to the second karyotype. This karyotype showing the monosomy where 2n minus 1 equal 45. So 2n minus 1 equal 45, and then we have to add comma to write this formula. Comma is it's a male, so it's XX, it's a female, XY, and so on. Okay, so you have to do this and you have to be familiar with this. Then we have to continue to Klinefelter syndrome, as we said before. Klinefelter syndrome, it's 2n plus 1 equal 47, it's equal 44 plus xxy. Nowadays, in grade 12, I prefer not to use this. This, we can use it in grade 11, but from now on, you can use 2n plus 1 equal 47, and you have to use comma, x, x, y. This person is Klinefelter syndrome. This Klinefelter syndrome, it affects only the sex chromosome. It's a gonosomal abnormality since it affects the gonosome as shown here. So you have three sex chromosomes instead of having two. So this is a gonosomal abnormality. Always, whenever the abnormality affects the gonosomes, it's called a gonosomal abnormality. This person is said to be sterile, meaning that it can give birth can give birth to a child, while if the abnormality affects the autosome from pair number 21 to pair number 22, so these are the autosomes. So abnormality affecting any one of these chromosomes called autosomal abnormality, and this will not lead to sterility. The person is going to be fertile normally without any problem. Okay, so you have to be careful about this. And also, whenever we talk about the structural abnormalities at the level of the chromosomes, this means that we have problem at the level of the structure of the chromosomes. So this problem in the structure of the chromosomes, where it affects the shape of one of the chromosomes or more than one of these, we have translocation, meaning that we have transportation, if you want to say it, or movement of a piece of the chromosome into another chromosome. Like yesterday we said translocation from 21 to 14 or 14 to 21. It's called the Bertinian translocation. or we have a missing part of the chromosome, a part of the chromosome, a portion of it is going to be missed or deleted. This can be detected by karyotyping. So here on your books on page 98, 99, and 100, we started about abnormalities at the level of the autosomes. So here we have the level of the autosomes. We have that autosomal abnormalities trisomy 21 is called also familial Down syndrome. After John Doon, the British physician, described this. And then we have affected individuals. They have 3 copies of chromosome number 21. This is shown here in document A. We have 3 copies of chromosome number 21. So chromosome form is going to be 2n plus 1 equal 47, comma, what is the sexual chromosomes? They are X1. Okay, but here 2n plus 1 equal to 47. In the normal case, all of you know it's 2n equal 46. This is the normal case. Okay, also yesterday we talked about the translocation. Here, translocation of portion of the chromosome number 21. Here's the person has trisomy 21, but this part of the chromosome, it was translocated into chromosome 14. This is what's known by Robertsonian translocation. So a part of the chromosomes, an extra chromosome here in 21 was translocated to chromosome 14. So this is the Robertsonian translocation. Okay, and also we talked about this figure in document B showing the variation